Now, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite hauler and junk diva, the JoJo Lena. And today we got the find of the month. Ain't that right, JoJo?
Yes, you just have to love junk removal. You never know what you're gonna find ever. Every day, you have no idea.
And I just got a job from my old boss. He's moving to Oregon, and guess what? I'm doing a job for him tomorrow, and I smacked him over the head with the price. But anyways, let's talk about the find of the month. Check this out. This is not the find of the month. This is the find yesterday we found, huh?
Yeah, it was the find of the day yesterday, and we've already played a couple games on this. It has been pretty fun. It's a nice little addition for right now in the garage.
And we got paid to take it. That's crazy. It's like brand spanking new. And guess what? I whooped the JoJo's ass twice.
Leave a comment down below and let us know what your find of the month or find of the day or find of the week, because when you do junk removal, every day is a find.
So check out this other find we found a couple weeks ago. Check that out. A pinball machine. Wow. And that is not the find of the month either. That's a find of a couple weeks ago. Check that bad boy out.
Yeah, that's really cool. And what about this? What about this? This keeps things cold and hot. Tiny little mini fridge that also heats up. It's crazy. And this isn't our find of the month either, but it was our find yesterday again.
It came with this thing right here. We was getting paid and finding all kinds of cool stuff yesterday. And yeah, this thing can go in the FJ Cruiser, JoJo, and keep my burritos warm while I'm running around hunting or going fishing.
It's crazy. I actually didn't even know that they made something that looked like a mini fridge that also kept things, warm. It tells you on here whether, you want to keep things cool or keep things warm. It's like, that's crazy. I've never heard of something like that before.
Now, are you guys ready for the find of the month? And it is a great one. JoJo, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm going to tell you, I love this. I love this. We're going to show you what it is, and then I'm going to tell you why I love this item so much. Are you ready? What do you think it is? Leave a comment. What do you think it is? Maybe we're giving it away. The shape kind of gives it away.
Leave a comment first before we show you guys. So you got 1, 2, 3 seconds to leave a comment, and maybe I'll send you something in the mail. What is it?
What is it? Let's see. It is a... Woo! Can you tell? It lights up. It works. It is awesome. It is a Seaberg console jukebox.
That thing is badass. Me and the Julio picked it up a couple days ago, and I can't believe we got paid to take it. Check it out.
It's super cool. It has all these tiny 45s in it, and lots of great songs from like Rod Stewart, Lonnie Dean, very, very old stuff. Linda Ronstadt. So this is like very popular from the 70s. Santana. It's great. It's great. I love music. Music has a special place in my heart. My mom was a singer, and she used to perform all the time. She actually dated for quite some time Elvis Presley's guitar player, Scotty Moore. So that, I think, is super cool. And my dad was actually a Foggy Mountain Boy, and he played with Lester Flatt and Earl Scruggs, the old country days on the Martha White Express. And you know your bluegrass country if you know any of those people I just said. But so I love music. It's very, very dear to my heart, actually. All kinds of music. I love it all.
So check this bad boy out. It is dirty right now. I'm gonna have the JoJo clean it all up. Here, open the door, JoJo.
Open the door.
Check this thing out.
They put the quarters in, and you still can put the quarters in. And it spins and it lights up. It looks really cool. It does need to get cleaned up a little bit, but when I plugged it in and the lights came on, I got so excited.
So we are pumped about this one, and if you look them up on eBay, they go for a lot of money. So check it out. And I still got last month's find of the month. I'm still waiting for the right person to come pick it up. So yeah, check this thing out. It is pretty clean and pretty cool. The cord needs to be redone, but yeah, it's kind of ghetto rigged right now. But yeah, that's our find of the month, which is pretty damn cool.
I love it. You can take a little bit of time here and there and clean it up, and it's great. I love it.
So now we barely have any room in the garage for real. I actually made a kid's day today. I sold a flat screen TV. The kid came over today to buy it. I sold it for $40. And what'd I do, JoJo, with the other big screen I had that was parked over there behind that couch that needs to go in the houseboat?
Yeah, we had a big, was it 50-inch?
50-inch
It
TV.
is a big TV, and we just told him he could have that too, and his eyes lit up, and he was so excited. But it made us feel really good that he just, you know, took both of those TVs in his car and took off with a big smile on his face. He even sent a text later on thanking again of how awesome that was that you did that.
So check out the man cave. Should I keep it or resell it? What would you guys do? Leave a comment down below what you would do. JoJo, it's a pretty cool garage. Check it out.
It's cool. It's cool. It's so cool to always get things to bring home and resell or just refurbish it and keep it.
So if you guys want to see more videos and follow our junk finds and junk treasures and all kinds of stuff we do on this channel, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. You want to say anything else, JoJo, or what?
No, hit the like button, subscribe, check out our other videos, and look into our channel membership.
And we'll catch you on the next one.